What's up, Knuckles? Something bugging? What the hell is he doing?
I think he broke his jaw for moving it like that.
What did you say about my mother? Mother? Oh, that's it. You're dead.
Can't we just talk this out?
No, we can't. His jaw broke. Get over here. Oh, my Josh, oh, my Josh fixed. I'll be taking go. I guess taking goes. Hey! Those aren't the pieces of the Master Emerald. That's the cash. Only fools talk with them. That's why Chaos is the perfect ally. He doesn't have.
You're using chaos? That's diabolical.